Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use your phone as a wireless microphone. You might want to do this probably because you have issues with your microphone or you don't have a microphone at all. This can serve as a plan B for you and it is very effective. So to be able to do this, we are going to be using an app called Iriun. Iriun is a free and open source application. With Iriun, you can use your phone as a webcam. That is, if the webcam on your system or your PC is terrible, you can use your phone camera as a webcam with the help of Iriun. But that's not what we are talking about on this video. We are talking about how to use your phone as a wireless microphone. But we are going to be using Iriun to also do this. So you can download Iriun on both devices, that is your PC and also on your mobile phone. To download Iriun on your PC, head over to your browser and search for iriun.com. The link is in the description of this video. When you're on the site, you're going to see something like this. So right here, as you can see, you can download Iriun on all the operating system, that is Windows, Mac, and Linux. So click on the one that matches the operating system you're using to kick off your download. So on the phone, if you want to download the app on your phone, it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, it works on both devices. So if you're using an iPhone, head over to your App Store. If you're using an Android phone, head over to your Play Store. On the search, you are going to search for Iriun webcam. So I have it up here, so I'm going to click on it, and there you see the app is going to pop up. So I'm going to hit on the update button right here. It's like the version I have right here is outdated, so it's going to update quickly. So if you have the app on your phone before, you can go ahead and click on the update button to update it. Immediately it's finished updating, you can click on the open button to launch the app. After downloading the app on both devices, you can go ahead and launch them. So I'm going to launch mine on my PC right now and also on my phone. So I'm going to click on the open button on my phone. So when the app is running on both devices, you can go ahead and hit on the continue button on your phone. But before that, make sure that both devices, that is the PC and the phone, are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Or you can connect to the hotspot on the phone. That will work too. So when you are done with that, you can go ahead and hit on the continue button on the phone. Okay, that's another problem. Okay, immediately I do that, you see that my phone camera is projected to the PC right now. Now this is how you can use your phone as a webcam. I know I might not be looking, forgive me, I'm looking very crazy this morning. But that's okay, that's not why we are here. So right here on the phone, we are going to hit on the settings button at the top. So I'm going to hit on that. Let me quickly minimize this. So we're going to hit on that. And then within the settings, you see microphone boost. So you are going to increase the microphone boost. With this right now, you can use your phone or you can speak to your phone and the sound will be projected to whatever speaker or output device you are using. So let's say for instance, I want to record my voice on my PC. When I launch a voice recording app, let's say I launch Audacity for example. So right here, I am in Audacity. Within Audacity, when I head over to the inputs menu, down here I have multiple input devices I can choose from. So I'm going to select the one that is labeled Iriun webcam. So immediately you install Iriun, it is also going to install a virtual microphone for you. So I'm going to select the microphone Iriun as my input device. So after selecting it, I can go ahead and hit on the record button up here. You'll see that the recording will start immediately, and right here you see that the waves are forming as I speak. So when I stop this by hitting on the stop button right here and I preview it, you see that the recording will start immediately, and right here you see that the waves are forming as I speak. So that's it guys, that's how to use your phone as a wireless microphone. It is very easy and very cheap. But if for any reason after connecting the devices using Iriun, you are still finding it difficult or the microphone is not working, you can head over to your settings. So now within settings, click on system and then sounds, or sound rather. So down here you can select the inputs as Iriun. So I have Iriun selected right here. So you can select Iriun right there within the inputs and you are good to go. You can use this on OBS, Discord, Zoom meetings, or any other application where you can select an input device. You will see Iriun webcam as one of the input devices. Select it. So that is it, guys. That is how to use your phone as a wireless microphone. So if you find this video helpful so far, please go ahead and give the video a like, and also support the channel by subscribing, and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.